Right, welcome back. So today we're just going to do a quick bulletin. There's going to be no editing, nothing fancy at all. We're just going to reveal some news, bit of a news flash. The Kawasaki ZX4R pricing for the UK market has been revealed, which is really exciting. First things we'll say is that the only variant to come to our shores is the ZX4RR. The SE version and the standard ZX4 aren't going to be available in the UK, so if you want this bike, it's ZX4RR only. So what do you get with the ZX4RR? As standard, you get the quick shifter, you also get the ZX10 shock absorber, and you get preload adjustment function on the front forks, which you don't get on the standard variant. You also have as optional extras a windshield, USB power socket and frame and sliders, which are standard equipment on the SE, but we aren't getting those. So if you want those extras, you're going to have to spec it on your ZX4RR. Okay, so without further ado, the price in the UK of the ZX4RR is £8,699. If you want to add on the road charges to that, you're looking at, let me just check on a piece of paper, £8,850. So it's actually really good news. It's cheaper than we all expected. People were talking about this bike being 10 grand plus. It's 1,200 quid cheaper than that, and it actually puts it in line with the competition. So just again looking at my notes, Honda's CB650R, which is similar horsepower, inline 4, bigger displacement, 8,500. Yamaha's R7, which is a twin, is 8,900. And the Aprilia rs660, that's actually significantly more expensive, 10,300. So Kawasaki have actually priced this bike very competitively, so they obviously want to win market share. And this isn't going to be some kind of unattainable bike. This is going to be a bike that you can actually, people can afford. It's going to be fun, very, very highly spec'd in terms of the suspension. So it's going to be unique and it's going to be fantastic. So I'm excited about it. This is just off the sort of hot of the press, this news. I just found out about it, so I thought I'd just quickly share it on the channel. A couple of other things to talk about before we go, because it's only a short video today, is that there's a performance pack available. That will be ordered through a dealer. You'll have a pack based on the Ninja 400 performance pack. So it's going to include a tank pad, additional screen, an exhaust, which is probably Aquapovic, and a seat cowl. That will set you back £1,500. So it's quite expensive, but it will be cheaper than having those things independently. The items on the performance pack are not fully confirmed yet, so this may change. They may add a couple of other things, maybe frame sliders might go on there as well. But so far I think that's pretty much it for the performance pack. Okay, so final thing, the bikes are scheduled to arrive end of September now. So previously it was October, it's now end of September. Could actually come a couple of weeks earlier than that, so you could actually have the bike mid-September if Kawasaki get everything organised and these bikes land when they're meant to land. Alright, that's it really. Headline news: Kawasaki ZX4R six, that was a bit optimistic, £8,699. That's how much it's going to cost you if you want this little pocket rocket. Alright guys, well thanks for listening. Quick video today. I'll catch you in the next one, and I'll see you then.